Well, I was out on a drive, on a bit of a trip, looking for thrills to get me some kicks. Now, I want you ladies, I shoot from the hip. I was born with a stiff upper lip. Like a dog.
Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? It is your man Z Moose coming at you after hours for another strategy session. Today, I included light sweet crude oil and the E-mini S&Ps, along with my analysis of the Russell 2K mini futures, and it was a fun day today. Crazy market session. I boldly made the prediction that I did not think that we could break 600 on the day on the Russell 2K, and I also boldly made the prediction that I didn't think we could break 1050 with the way that we were basing. Well, guess what? We broke 1050, and we were closing below 600. Barely, but we closed below it. The low of the day today was 597.10, and on the S&P E-minis, the low of the day was 1043. 7 handles lower on the S&P E-minis, and a nice little 3 handle lower than the 600 call on the Russell 2K. Now, crude, as I stated this afternoon in the afternoon review, was one hell of an indicator today to diagnose market conditions before we really saw a pickup. Example. Very, very good example. 153. 153 today. Let's go to it. 153. We were declining on the TF. We were looking like we were going to break below 603, and at the exact same time, we peaked at light sweet. And as we continued to break through and blow out 603, we blew out the 34 EMA, which throughout this chop held as a little bit of a pivot. In the early morning session, it held as a support, and as a level to break down below. And here as well as a support and a level to break down below. It held this entire uptrend until it could not anymore. Volume started to push through because crude closes at 230. And what did we see? An influx of selling pressure and volume distribution. And we saw the exact same thing on the Russell 2K, followed by the disgusting destruction of, yes, you guessed it, the ES, which continued to fall 6 handles lower. Now, what caused this spur of sell-off? Was it panic going into tomorrow's GDP report? Perhaps. Perhaps it was. We can't really know for sure. All we know is that during this trading time, from 1:50 to 2 o'clock, there was a trend change. And the trend change occurred, and we needed to trade around it. Now, ES, I thought we were going to get back above 1050 and hold it. It really did. I thought we were going to get above 600 and continue. Move closer to that 603 and maybe consolidate. But no. No. Ridiculous. Ridiculous thought. Why? I read an article from SMB. Their last blog post was phenomenal. It was called S&P Time Tendencies throughout the trading session. This was a time tendency where we had a counter trend reversal at the top of the hour, 3 o'clock, and at the round bottom of the hour, we're kind of reaching towards the cash close here. Boom. Snap back lower to the immediate trend of the entire day. This is something we need to continue to watch and pay very close attention to if we see a snap up higher. Another thing that we can note, we held that trend line that we held when 1050 was our base support level on the ES, blew it right out of the water. Now, I can't make an analysis for tomorrow because GDP is going to dictate the whole day. All I can do is tell you all to be careful. Trade cautiously and make your moves intelligently. Today was a test run. Today was a day that could end up like tomorrow. If you get caught with your pants down, don't be hesitant to pull them back up. Good luck, and trade them well.